Dear friends, we are informing you a very sad news that former New York Assembly Speaker Sheldon Silver has died on Monday, January 24, 2022 at 3:49 p.m. For more information, we have a request. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Former New York Assembly Speaker Sheldon Silver passed away Monday afternoon at the age of 77 after having been hospitalized for several weeks. Silver, a Democrat who represented a district in the Lower East Side of Manhattan, was elected to the Assembly in 1976 and served as Speaker from 1994 to 2015. Sheldon Silver was a man of great character. God bless their friends and family. My hearts are always with him. Please subscribe our channel. We give you top more information around the world. Thanks.